Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your opening bell for April 2nd, 2025. So first off, I want to just say happy heavenly birthday to my father. He'd have been 93 today. He passed away about 2 years ago, and he is a great guy. So congratulations or happy birthday, Dad. And this weekend, on a good note, my son's getting married. So I won't be around on Friday and Saturday. I will be traveling for his wedding. So that's what I got going on. So without further ado, let's get over to this stuff right through here. So we got the market. It's down once again over 200 points because of why? Well, the tariffs hit, and it's been down every day since that. But the good news is we still have good news on the ADP payroll front. It's private payrolls adding jobs. So maybe we're not going to that huge recession a lot of people think. And the bond market's liking this data so far. Bonds are up 12 ticks. That means mortgage rates are going down. So without further ado, let's recap what's going on today in the market. So my name is Dan Frio. I actually do this report twice a day, and my whole goal is to inform you guys about this stuff because I'm a loan officer licensed in all 50 states where our slogan is one application, one credit pool. We're going to shop your loan to over 30 different lenders. Now, how do we do that? All my information will be at the end of this video. You'll be pretty pleased if you're looking for a mortgage in today's market. So mortgage rates went down a little bit today. They're going to continue that drive down today. So let's look at the economic calendar we have for today. But right here, the red across the board, well, the Russell 2000 is up a little bit, and the VIX is spiking once again at 23. So that gives us the blood pressure of Wall Street. When this thing is above, let's say 12, it's not good. We're at 23 right now. So the markets are just on edge. Just for one little sign of something, it's going to either crash or rally. That's kind of the stage it's at right now. ADP payroll numbers came in, and they said there 155,000 people got new jobs. Let's look at their report. Here's my concern with all this. Okay, so right through here, here's our calendar for the week. Wednesday, we have ADP payroll numbers. Okay, so last time that they came out, they said there was, well, let's look over here. I want to see what their revisions were and how bad they were, because I'm still not a proponent of ADP payrolls. Okay, so ADP payrolls on this chart, if you can see that right through there, came in last time at 77,000. It was revised to 84. Okay, that's close enough. So this time they were expecting 105,000. It came in at 155. So I'll say that's a pretty darn big miss there. So 118 was expected, 155,000 came in, and a revision here. That's basically all that's coming in today. Then we get over here, we have initial jobless claims tomorrow, and then on Friday we get all the data that fills in a lot of these gaps right through here. And this is the data that the Federal Reserve monitors. And that's why we go over this every day. Federal funds rates right through here, the PCE, the inflation number that the Federal Reserve monitors right here, and that employment rate is right through here. And this will be updated on Friday when that number comes in. So that's basically the data we have today. But the trade right now is what in the world is the Trump tariffs going to do to the economy? So let's get over to, let's see if CNBC has an interview for us today to go over what's going on with the payroll numbers. Yes, there is. So let's get over to Steve Leisman over at CNBC. Let's see how these numbers came in, what the markets were expecting, and what his take is on this. So Steve, take it away, buddy.
ADP employment report for March about to be released in a little under 10 seconds from now. Right now, we've got red across the board, Dow off about 282 points. And we are going to get over to our good friend Steve Leisman, who's got the numbers.
Thanks very much, Andrew. March ADP payrolls coming in at 155. It's good economic news. Have been a little short of that stuff. Now we got some going here. The estimate had been 120,000, but this coming in a little bit hotter with the goods sector doing pretty well at 24. And the service sector powering 132,000 on the plus side. There's the estimate for Friday, the BLS number, 140,000. So this on the high side of that. Remember, ADP just doing the private payrolls. And good distribution by business size. Small business coming in plus 52, medium plus 43, and large plus 59,000. Looking at where the jobs were, professional business services up 57. In a kind of lagging sector, so that's a good sign there. Financial activities doing well. Manufacturing up 21. Leisure and hospitality down at 17. The good part about that is it's been the one that's been leading, and now other sectors look to be stepping up. Educational health services up by 12,000. And the wage numbers coming in tame. When we were concerned about inflation, I guess we're still concerned about it, up 4.6 and 6.5%.
So what you have to understand, here's the wage growth in our economy right now. So with inflation, you might say, okay, inflation's 2.5%, maybe 3%. Well, if your wages are growing at 4.6%, you're still outpacing inflation. That's some good news. That's for job stayers, and here's for job changers. So you almost doubled the inflation rate. Not bad. So we have great payroll numbers, and then also the payroll, the amount of money everybody's making, is actually going up or exceeding the inflation rate. That's a good news for the markets.
These numbers are a little bit hotter than the government numbers. Worth checking out. Andrew, on Friday, what we're looking for, this is good news going into Friday. I will point out that ADP has been running about plus or minus 100,000 different from the BLS private number. So there's been a divergence there in what ADP's been reporting. But for Friday, we're looking at the government numbers, and I'm seeing estimates right now of something like, from the federal side, minus 10 to minus 20 from the federal government. The first year of the Trump administration, when he put that hiring freeze in place, they were down just 17,000 in that first year, but this might be more serious. You know that the federal government loses, or just regular attrition and separations in total, about 30,000 a month. Of course, not all jobs have been subject to the DOGE job cuts, but that is going to be one place where to drag. And the question is, does the private sector step up? That's the question for Friday.
What's your
Perfect analogy of what he was saying. So the jobs report right now, people are saying it's going to crumble. Well, 150,000 people being added to payroll. Well, that's what the expectations are from the government on Friday. But ADP payroll numbers, even had it at 155,000. So a nice, healthy job market there. Wage growth is good. So maybe we don't need to crash. Maybe the markets don't have to go crazy. Maybe it's just steady, slow and steady. Maybe that's just a scenario that might just play out. So there doesn't have to be always these way ups and way downs. Maybe it's just going to be smooth sailing from now. That's what we're going to kind of focus in on. See, once these Trump trades and tariffs are off the table, how's the economy going to fare at that point? And that's what we're going to really focus in on. So a recap, mortgage rates went down just a little bit, not a lot, but today they're going to go down even a little bit more, maybe, because we have rate through here. Where'd it go? Let's refresh our screen right through here and go back over here. We have the MBSs up 11 ticks. So if you know anything about the channel and what we focus in on here, is we focus in on this right through here. This is the mortgage bond. You can watch the 10-year Treasury if you want. This was almost 5% not too long ago, so it's down quite a bit. It's down about 75 basis points. That's how much mortgage rates are down as well. So a lot of people are saying, Dan, the mortgage rates aren't plummeting or crashing. Folks, about a little over a year ago, rates were over 8%. Now where do we see them? We see them in the 6% range. Could we be at 6.6 here today? Probably. That's what we're going to see. So if you're out there maybe looking to buy that first house, maybe you're looking to refinance a home, I'd love to be able to help you. So what do I do? We have a slogan here, one application, one credit pool. We're going to shop your loan over 30 different lenders. How do we do that? Well, I'm actually a federal loan officer. I'm licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. The really interesting thing is I work at a bank that we've set up 33 other lenders to accompany us, or let's say it's this to complement us. So when you put in your application, go to therateupdate.com. We're not only going to give you offers that we can offer you from here, our bank, we're going to give you offers from all 33 different lenders. So that's why our slogan is one application, one credit pool. We're going to shop your loan over 30 different lenders. Here's how you start. Go to therateupdate.com, brand new website right over my head. You can put the apply now button, just click that and you'll be on your way. What's going to happen is we're not going to do really anything. We're going to review your application. And then we're going to call you, get in touch with you. Please answer the phone. We'd love to talk to you, get the narrative. What are you looking for? And then at that point, if everything's good, we'll go ahead and pull your credit and then we'll get you on the right track. But we want to go over with you kind of what you're looking for, what your goals are. Are you looking to buy that first house and just want to know what the payments are? Maybe you're looking for a reverse mortgage, or your grandparents need a reverse mortgage. I'd love to talk with them. Or maybe you're looking to refinance because you're at a rate at 7.75 and now you can get 6.75, save you 1%, maybe $300-400 a month. So reach out to me. I'd love to help. Go to therateupdate.com, put in your application, schedule a consultation, or give us a call. We'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching, guys. God bless. I do this video twice a day, so I'll give you a video at the end of the day to show you how this mess ends for the day. But we do have a live event today where we're going to talk to those homeowners out there. They're just completely confused on how do you refinance? How does it work? How much can I save? We're going to answer all those questions in today's live event. So thanks for watching. Please join me today at 3 o'clock Central Time to answer those refinance questions. But otherwise, have a great day. God bless. Have a fantastic afternoon. See you at 3 o'clock.